Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make clothing design or clothing materials on your Canva using your Canva application. For this you should search for free clothing logo maker of your Canva account on your browser, and you simply have to open it in front of you. On the left you can see there is a lot of brand stickers or brand values in your browser. You can copy any one of them and edit it as per you want it. So let me just select template for me that will be good for me, and here I can edit each and every template as per my brand name, as per my favorite color, and as per my instruction that how you can easily change the text value. You can change text size, you can change the color, you can also create background or any other thing. Like it's all of yours. You can edit anything you want from this. After doing all the editing, you can click on the right top of the screen to save this design, and then you can get it printed on your t-shirt. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.